me? Do you even want to go and see? I'm over here, I rock up on this beat. Freeze that whole big hood, I free the styler from these fucking streets. Hey, do you even want to know and see? Do you even want to be like me? I'm free and styling from these fucking streets. Do you even want to go up and want to be like me? Hey, I've been there everywhere, that maybe everywhere. I'm over here, I'm coming up, but yes, I do not care. I'm talking about you other people, yes, I'm getting guns. I'm about to shoot you in your face and I will not run. What? You think I'm a fucking bitch? You come and say that shit to my face real quick. And see if you stand still, or if you will, because I'm over here about to pop you in your ear. What? I don't give a damn about you others. People's over here to say that do you love another? If you come correct, I will give you same thing. Everybody's over here just saying that do the same thing. You do on to the others what you like to do. I'm the one that's over here and I will not lose. Cause my passion that's burning. I'm over here talking about saying people while you yawning. Hey, but do you see what I see? You can even see everything's when it be. Still freestyle on every fucking beat. If I wanna do this and I turn to a heat. Hey, started off cold, still warming up. Still over here, I'm about to go and throw it up. Throwing over it up like you throwing your shit. People's over here, nah, alright, by check, get dead. Do you think I'm straight dead presidents? I'm over here talking about you trying to get lit. I'm talking about all the things in the time. Still over here like I'm straight prime time. I'm going over here every day. Rocking over here, saying what can you say? Rocking every time when I'm trying to rhyme. Shirty's getting tired cause I'm still getting mine. I buck up, still get up. Got Libby Missy's over here about to do it up. Hey, when we talk about